In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project tracker in Notion. We're going to create a simple but effective system that helps you organize projects, track individual tasks, and keep an eye on deadlines and progress in one place. This setup is great if you want a cleaner workflow and a tracker that's easy to maintain over time. Start by creating a brand new Notion page that will serve as the home for your project tracker. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. This main page will act like your control center, where all of your project information will live. Keeping everything inside one dedicated page makes the system much easier to navigate. Next, add a project database to this page. This database will hold all of your projects in one structured list. You can use a table view to start, since it makes it easier to see and edit key details at a glance. Think of this as the master list for everything you're working on. Once the database is in place, add the main properties you'll need. Include a project name so each entry is clearly labeled. Add a status property to show whether a project is not started, in progress, on hold, or completed. Include priority so you can quickly tell what needs attention first. Add an owner field to show who is responsible, a due date to track deadlines, and a notes field for extra context. These properties give you a strong foundation and make the tracker much more useful in day-to-day planning. After that, create a separate task database for the individual tasks related to each project. This is important because projects and tasks work at different levels. Your project database gives you the big picture view, while the task database helps you manage the detailed work required to move each project forward. Now connect the task database to the correct project using a relation property. This allows each task to be linked back to its parent project. It's one of the most valuable parts of the setup because it creates a clear connection between high-level planning and day-to-day execution. Once your databases are connected, create views to help you focus on the right information. Set up a view for active projects so you can quickly see what's currently in motion. Create another view for completed projects to keep a record of finished work without cluttering your main workspace. Then create a view for overdue tasks so you can immediately spot anything that needs urgent attention. To speed things up, add templates for new projects. A good template can pre-fill common fields and make every new project more consistent. Finally, review the tracker regularly to monitor progress. A quick check-in helps you update statuses, adjust priorities, and keep your system accurate and useful.